So, if you've been tracking the Osmo Pocket 4, this past week has been a bit of a roller coaster. We were all pretty much locked in on December 18th, 2025 as the big day. That date wasn't random either. Between FCC filings, earlier leaks, and DJI's habit of squeezing launches in before the holidays, it felt like everything was lining up. Then Igor Bogdanov dropped those fresh Pocket 4 images, and honestly, that just poured fuel on the fire. At that point, it really felt like DJI was about to pull the trigger, but now, plans might have shifted. According to Photorabs, the Pocket 4 isn't launching before Christmas anymore. The current talk suggests January, specifically the second half of the month. Not a locked date, but somewhere between mid-January and the end of the month. So if you were expecting a holiday surprise, that's likely off the table. What's interesting is why this is happening. Apparently, the delay isn't because the camera itself isn't ready. The issue seems to be accessories. Possible quality control problems that DJI didn't want slipping through just to hit a December deadline. And honestly, that tracks. DJI tends to be cautious with ecosystem stuff like mounts, cases, and expansion accessories, especially when they're meant to launch alongside the main product. A teaser could still drop before the end of December. DJI has done this before. Announce or tease something during the holidays, then save actual availability and hands-on content for later. So if that happens, expect the rest of December to be leak heavy. More images, maybe some short clips, possibly even spec confirmations floating around, but actual reviews and hands-on videos, those are almost certainly a January thing now. As for what the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be, the picture hasn't changed much. We're still looking at a bigger battery, roughly a 20% bump over the Pocket 3. There's also the strong possibility of a dual camera setup, which would explain the slightly bulkier camera module we've been seeing in leaks. The rotatable screen seems to be sticking around, and there's a good chance DJI adds a secondary status style display on the opposite side for quick info. Now, zooming out a bit, this delay opens up bigger questions. We still don't know which other DJI products might be getting pushed. A lot of you have been asking about Avata 360, and the silence there is getting louder. No new leaks, no fresh filings, nothing substantial. That makes it hard not to wonder if that launch is slipping too. And all of this ties back to the same big question: what actually launches in the US before the import ban deadline, and what doesn't? DJI might be reshuffling its entire release strategy, not just for Pocket 4, but for multiple products. So yeah, short version, Pocket 4 isn't canceled, it isn't stuck in limbo, but probably a January camera now, not a December one. The hype train hasn't stopped, it's just slowing down a bit before the next station. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.